forbidden, long concealed, the pain of life at last revealed. What once was theirs, now in your hand, the weight of sorrow, bold and grand. From stolen dreams and silent tears, a legacy of wealth and fears. This is no feast for faint of heart, for every bite a fractured start. From stolen dreams and silent tears, a legacy of wealth and fears. This is no feast for faint of heart, for every bite a fractured start. Drink the whispers, taste the ache, chips of tears and stolen cake. What once was secret now unfolds, the story of sadness rich and bold. Each soda bubbles with despair, each chip a burden you now bear. The cake a wish extinguished fast, the taste of sorrow's shadows cast. Feel the weight of all they've known, the power now is yours alone. Gucci's gift, the taste of truth, the feast of wealth, the pain of youth. Not just one, it's sadness forged as something sweet, the weight of what we eat, complete.